Ecletes.
Class, time for mental. You, what did the Ghana get independence? 25th December 1987. Hey, you think it's Christmas, eh? You, which country colonized Ghana? Germany, sir. You, Brazil. Yeah.
Summer. The time has come. Let the show begin.
That's dismissed.
Yay! Class is dismissed. All right now. All right, Ecletes, we see you. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for them.